Ever feel like a digital nomad, constantly signing up for new online services, only to realize later you've accumulated a graveyard of unused accounts? Today, we're tackling one of those potential digital relics, your BluPeak account. Maybe you found a better fit, perhaps your needs have changed, or maybe you're just on a quest to declutter your digital life. Whatever the reason, you're here because you're wondering, how do I actually close my BluPeak account? It's a valid question, and surprisingly, the process isn't always as straightforward as we'd hope. Companies often prioritize onboarding, making it a breeze to sign up, but offboarding? Well, that can sometimes feel like navigating a digital maze. But don't worry, we're here to be your guide through that maze. We'll break down the steps, explore potential hurdles, and ensure you can confidently bid farewell to your BluPeak account. Before we dive into the how, let's briefly touch upon the why and the what to consider. Closing an account isn't just about clicking a few buttons. It involves a little bit of digital housekeeping to ensure a clean break and avoid any future headaches. First, consider your data. Have you backed up any important information stored within your BluPeak account? This could be transaction history, saved documents, or any other data you might need down the line. BluPeak likely has its own data export options, so it's worth investigating those before initiating the closure. Think of it like moving out of a physical space. You wouldn't just leave all your belongings behind without a second thought. Next, think about subscriptions or linked services. Are you paying for a premium BluPeak service? If so, you'll want to ensure you cancel any recurring payments to avoid being charged after your account is closed. Similarly, if you've linked your BluPeak account to other platforms or services, you might need to unlink them to prevent any unexpected issues down the line. Imagine closing a bank account without canceling your direct debits. It could lead to bounced payments and unnecessary complications. Finally, understand the implications of account closure. Will you lose access to past records? Will your username become available again immediately? Does BluPeak have a reactivation policy if you change your mind later? These are all important questions to consider before hitting that final close account button. It's like deciding to delete photos from your phone. Once they're gone, retrieving them might not be possible. Okay, with those crucial considerations in mind, let's get down to the actual steps involved in closing your BluPeak account. Now, it's important to note that the exact process can vary depending on BluPeak's specific platform and policies, and these might change over time. Therefore, the best first step is always to check BluPeak's official help documentation or FAQ section. Look for keywords like close account, delete account, or deactivate account. This official resource should provide the most up-to-date and accurate instructions. However, based on common practices for online services, here are the general methods you're likely to encounter. Method 1. In-app or website account settings. This is often the most straightforward way to close an account. Look for a Settings, Account, or Profile section within your BluPeak account dashboard on their website or mobile app. Once you're there, navigate through the options. You might find a specific Close Account or Delete Account option. Step 1. Log into your BluPeak account. Access your account via their website or mobile application using your usual credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Look for a gear icon, your profile picture, or a menu option that leads to your account settings. Step 3. Find the Close Account or similar option. This might be located under a Security, Privacy, or General Account subsection. Be prepared to scroll through the options. It's not always the most prominently displayed choice. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. BluPeak will likely guide you through a series of steps to confirm your decision. This might involve verifying your identity, providing a reason for closing your account, optional in most cases, and acknowledging the consequences of account closure. Step 5. Confirm account closure. You'll likely need to click a final button or link to permanently close your account. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message or email indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Method 2. Contacting customer support. If you can't find a clear close account option within your account settings, or if you encounter any issues during the process, your next best bet is to reach out to BluPeak's customer support. Step 1. Locate BluPeak's contact information. This is usually found on their website under a Contact Us, Support, or Help section. They might offer multiple contact methods, such as email, phone support, or live chat. Step 2. Choose your preferred contact method. Consider the urgency of your request and your personal preference. Email might be suitable for less urgent matters, while phone or live chat could provide more immediate assistance. Step 3. Clearly state your request. When you contact support, be direct and clearly state that you wish to close your BluPeak account. Provide them with your account details, username, email address, etc. to help them locate your account. Step 4. Follow their instructions. The customer support agent will guide you through the necessary steps to close your account. They might need to verify your identity or ask for additional information. Step 5. Request confirmation. Once the process is complete, ask for a confirmation email or reference number for your records. This will serve as proof that your account has been closed. Important things to do after closing your account. Once you've successfully closed your BluPeak account, there are a few final steps you should take. Review confirmation. Double-check your email inbox for a confirmation message from BluPeak stating that your account has been closed. Keep this email for your records. Cancel subscriptions. If applicable, if you had any paid subscriptions associated with your BluPeak account, ensure they have been canceled to avoid future charges. Check your payment history and contact BluPeak's billing department if necessary. Unlink connected services. If you had linked your BluPeak account to other platforms or services, take the time to unlink them. This will prevent any potential data sharing or access issues. Clear browser data, optional but recommended for added security. You might want to clear your browser's cache and cookies after closing the account, especially if you were using a public computer. Closing a digital account might seem like a small task, but it's an important part of managing your online presence and ensuring your digital security. By following these steps and being aware of potential hurdles, you can confidently close your BluPeak account and move on to whatever digital adventures await you next. Remember to always prioritize your data, understand the implications, and don't hesitate to reach out to customer support if you encounter any difficulties. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.